Twisters are not restricted to our planet. One observed cyclonic storm, the size of 3 Earths, has raged on Jupiter for perhaps 1 million years. Its wind speeds have been estimated at over 1,000 miles per hour. Fear not, make way, for it cometh. Do not hate it, for the path it takes, it owns, and we visit its world. Tornado, child of the sky, that walks upon the land, as we see you, we are forced to wonder, are you the embodiment of the force, energy, the essence of our universe and us? But what do we know about life? What do we know about the force that powers the universe?
Does not this planet Earth, this solar system, this galaxy, this universe, spin forever through time and space? Are we not all but dust, being blown round in the endless storm of the cosmos? From the center of an atom to the end of the universe, life exists in the energy that permeates everything.